Quality Data Network is an AI-based computer-aided quality plugin developed by NEXUSTEC for TRiMiTi, a system for digitization of manual work assemblies. In manufacturing operations that handle most of their production manually, the over-reliance on paper-based or analog mouse and keyboard digital communications makes overall systems less robust and prone to human error. With QDN, we facilitate our TRiMiTi systems to talk amongst themselves, as well as enable communication with various semi-automated and automated process control systems. With data at its core, QDN focuses on collecting the data from all the connected workstations and presenting it in a format that can be utilized by planners and controllers to make the processes overall more efficient. Let's take an example we have seen in our previous videos. When assembling the O-ring over the gear, TRiMiTi checks the worker doing his work. TRiMiTi will also communicate the status of the assembly with QDN server based on its serial number. This information, along with the information for the same assembly at various stations, can be used to build a digital passport of the part. This digital passport will contain the information about the assembly sub-steps as well as the data collected at quality gates, thus generating an overall build lifecycle picture for this part. This data can be collected and disseminated to various stakeholders in the process, thus bringing quality control, process planning, and logistics on the same page with respect to the consumables, cycle time, and quality of manufactured goods. For more detailed information, check nexustec.de/TRiMiTi.